You have several thousand cubic meters. You have units that is nearly as big as a house that you need to move through a city, and not just through a city, from the other side of the planet.
It's unusual to have a full factory shipped in one single vessel.
Just goes to show that if you prepare and if you do your homework, then you're able to execute anything, basically.
It just takes very little steps. Those little steps, they sometimes require little pushes. It can be a person in Denmark making a quick decision, person in Canada assisting on some curved ball that's been thrown to us to allow for the continuous flow of the cargo. This is the future being built. We're here for that.